everybody, J. May Jones here, watercolor artist. I'm going to talk this morning about some of the materials I use for my watercolor paintings, and I hope this helps you start in your watercolor career. So here we are in my studio, and I have some Arches 140-pound cold pressed paper applied to a board. This was soaked and then stapled to the board so that when I apply watercolors or wet techniques to this paper, it will not buckle, it will dry flat. And here are a couple of tubes of the paint I use. This is Winsor Newton professional grade. And then I have a butcher block, a butcher tray where I mix my colors. And I always have clean water. Make sure your water is clean, then your watercolors will be crisp and clear and transparent and won't get muddied. I work a lot for my own photography. Living in Vermont, it's a challenge to be outside a lot, especially today when it's raining and 40 degrees. So here's a photograph of a barn I took some years ago that I'm going to start painting this morning. And then I may also do this as well. This is a sunflower with a blue fence in the backdrop. And so this is how I start. Back to this paper. This paper is 100% cotton rag, acid free. It's one of the best papers you can buy. You can get 300-pound paper, and with 300-pound paper you don't necessarily have to stretch it like I have. I hope this helps. You can follow me at jmayjones.com or on Facebook at Corner House. And Corner House Creations is my business name. And here are a couple of paintings that I have completed that are on show today. There's one of the winter scene, there's one of palm trees, and there's one of the ocean waves. Again, jmayjones.com. Thank you and have a great day.